Do you have 20 minutes to change your life and find financial independence? If you give me 20 minutes of your time, I can show you how I make money with a new leveraged affiliate system. Through the system, all you have to do is share and post our videos and ads that direct people to high conversion sales funnels in multiple niches. Every time someone makes a purchase, you make money. You get 100% commission instantly, plus recurring commissions each month. Sounds good? Just wait, there's more. Right. Through the leveraged affiliate system, you can also earn commissions from the sales made by affiliates in your network. This is an awesome leverage that could earn you hundreds of dollars. Do you want to learn more? I would love to tell you more about this amazing new system. Please write more info in the comment section below or on the link below the video to learn more.